Good morning to all of you. We are reading the chapter solution, and today we will discuss about elevation boiling point, and it is denoted by delta TB. This will be the colligative property, and to understand elevation boiling point, first of all we know about boiling point. The boiling point of a liquid is the temperature at which its vapor pressure becomes equal to the atmospheric pressure. And we have learned that the vapor pressure of the solution containing non-volatile solute is less than that of the pure solvent. Therefore, the solution has to be heated to a higher temperature so that its vapor pressure becomes equal to the atmospheric pressure. Thus, the boiling point of the solution is always higher than that of the pure solvent. Now let us take an example. The vapor pressure of pure water is 1.013 bar, that means 1 atmospheric pressure at 373 Kelvin. Water boils at 373 Kelvin because the vapor pressure at this temperature becomes equal to 1 atmospheric pressure, which is 1.013 bar. But on the other hand, the vapor pressure of an aqueous solution of sucrose is less than 1.013 bar at 373 Kelvin, and therefore the solution will not boil at 373 Kelvin. In order to make the solution to boil, its temperature must be increased so that its vapor pressure becomes equal to 1.013 bar. Finally, we can say the boiling point of a solution is always higher than the boiling point of the pure solvent in which the solution is prepared. Now, we see the graph. First of all, graph is plotted between the temperature and vapor pressure, and we see there are two lines. First is solvent and second one is solution, and we find that the vapor pressure of solvent is more than that the solution, but in case of solution the boiling point will increase because non-volatile solute is added in the solution. Here elevation in boiling point, that is denoted by del TB equal to TB minus T naught B. TB is the boiling point of the solution and T naught B is the boiling point of solvent. Here del TB equal to KB into small m. Small m represents molality, and this will be the KB is the molar elevation constant or ebullioscopic constant. Okay, now how we can calculate the molecular mass of the solute? This can be calculated by the same process. Del TB equal to KB into WB into 1000 divided by MB into WA, and finally MB equal to KB into WB divided by WA into 1000 by del TB. This is the final equation, and with the help of this equation we can calculate the molecular mass of the solute. In the next video we will discuss about depression in freezing point. Okay, thank you.